Welcome. In this video, we are going to attempt to crack the password of this account that exists on this WordPress website using WPScan. In the last video, we performed a scan on how to identify user accounts on a WordPress website, and that revealed this user for us. So in this video, we're going to attempt to crack the password to this account. Now we have the username. The next thing we are going to do is to prepare our passwords file. Kali Linux comes with a password file. So we are going to access the password file and then run it against this username in order to crack the password. To locate the password file that comes with Kali Linux, type this command rockU.txt. We use the word locate to search for files on Kali Linux. Now this shows that our rockU.txt exists in this directory. What we are going to do is to copy this file to our desktop. So type this command to copy this file from this location to our desktop. Hit enter. Let's verify that it was successfully copied to our desktop. This shows that our file was copied to the desktop. We are going to extract this file. To extract this file, type this command. It has been unzipped. It has been successfully unzipped. This file is the password file we are going to use against this username to run a password cracking operation on a WordPress website. This is the command. This is the command. The U option means the username, while the passwords option means to supply the passwords file that you want to run against this username. And in this case, our passwords file is located on our desktop and the file name is rockU.txt. So hit enter to run. This shows that WPScan is performing a password attack attempt on the user we supplied. Although at the moment the server is down, but if the server were up, this is how the password attack works. It's trying this password against this username. Our password file contains about this number of passwords, and so far it has tried 85 passwords against the username. This attempt will run through the whole list of passwords, and when it finds the right password in the list, it will output it. And when that happens, it means that the password to this account is vulnerable and it can be cracked. So the solution to this type of attack is to create complex passwords. Already we have discussed the best password policies. So ensure that you always follow the policy and create strong passwords.